Did you know Napoleon surrendered to his enemies expecting a comfortable retirement and ended up on one of the most remote islands on Earth? After Waterloo, he had options. He could have fought to the last man. He could have fled to America. Instead, he walked onto a British warship voluntarily. He even wrote a formal letter to the Prince Regent comparing himself to Themistocles, the ancient Athenian general who had once thrown himself on the mercy of his former enemy, Persia, and been welcomed. Napoleon genuinely believed a great power would treat a defeated rival with dignity, maybe a quiet estate in the English countryside, a graceful end to a remarkable life. The British had a different idea: St. Helena, a volcanic rock in the South Atlantic, so isolated that it sits further from a continent than almost anywhere else on Earth. He died there in 1821, 6 years after surrendering. The man who rewrote the rules of Europe for 20 years had completely misread them at the one moment it mattered most.